Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on PlayStation 4. First, ensure you have the game installed on your console. You can purchase it digitally from the PlayStation Store or use a physical disc. This classic survival horror title offers an immersive experience with intense combat and challenging puzzles. Get ready to step into the shoes of Leon S. Kennedy and face hordes of terrifying enemies in a desperate mission to rescue the president's daughter. Mastering the controls is crucial for survival in Resident Evil 4. Use the left analog stick to navigate Leon and the right stick to adjust your view. To aim your weapon, hold down the L2 button and then press R2 to fire. Remember to perform a quick turn by pressing down on the left stick and the circle button together, which is vital for escaping danger. Conserve your precious ammunition and utilize melee attacks after stunning enemies for maximum efficiency. Effective inventory management is key to your success. Your attaché case has limited space, so organize it wisely to carry weapons, ammunition, and healing items. Combine different colored herbs, like green and red, to create more powerful health restoratives. Always visit the mysterious merchant to buy new weapons, upgrade existing ones, and sell treasures you find. Thoroughly explore every corner of the environment to uncover hidden resources and valuable items. To survive the horrors of Resident Evil 4, strategic thinking is paramount. Aim for headshots whenever possible, as this is often the quickest way to defeat enemies. Look for environmental hazards, such as explosive barrels or hanging lamps, to take out groups of foes. Remember to save your game frequently at the typewriters scattered throughout the game world to avoid losing valuable progress. Learning enemy, attack patterns, and weaknesses will significantly improve your chances of survival.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.